Yeah, I'm hoping they don't take my GoPro.
We're gonna go feed birds at the Royal Botanical Gardens. They're dirty birds. I'm not a fan of the Canada goose. They're generally aggressive and I don't agree to feeding them, except there was some good footage there for you guys.
Yeah, we got distracted by them in the parking lot. Where are we?
Royal Botanical Gardens in Burlington, also known as the RBG. Full of lots of hiking trails, and there's on the other side there's like flowers and beautiful gardens, and there's a rock garden, and mainly people use it for hiking, sightseeing. This is an awesome spot where we're going down to because there's usually lots of deer as well at this time of day, and squirrels and nature.
See a bird, two, dos.
Those are big birds, they're not landing on my head to feed.
Build it and they will come.
When I was here before, you could just stand like this, and if you were patient enough, the birds would come. Well, I don't see many around today, so we will test our luck.
Alright, you just hang out here for a bit. I'll be back in about an hour.
You place it on your tube, it works too.
Apparently they're not hungry.
This may require more patience than we have. I'm gonna find squirrels.
Here, birdie. Come on. I guess it doesn't work the same way with birds as it does for dogs.
I will now perform the call of the finch. Just kidding, I don't know how to do it.
They'll be here any second.
Here come the turkeys. Cheerios, Cheerios.
They have been eating well.
Now we fake them out like we're walking away.
I don't think it's working.
I think we're too pushy.
Come on, eat!
We're not giving any value
Bring in your
with our
food.
seed.
Success!
Double success! They're eating the seed that we left. That way we can find our way back.
I don't know why they wouldn't want that.
Woo! Yeah! Feeding the birds.
I have a feeling all the birds went south.
There's a robin, that means spring. Food! Come get food!
Come on! We're trying to do something good here and the birds are just staring at us like, whatever.
The last thing I really want is actually one of those birds on my hand. Hello!
Well, you just hang out there for a little while.
So we're on our way nice and peacefully back down the boardwalk, and we found that there's some chicks that have hijacked our seed and are trying to feed the birds with our seed. Good thing we don't mind sharing. I won't be confrontational. Let's see if they've gotten any.
But if those birds ate out of their hands, that's the end of this. So here's the big problem. Tiffany can't be quiet long enough for these birds to come into their hands. These other people that we met, a couple birds landed in their hands, and now Tiffany's furious. And she's turned it into a game, so she wants to beat them.
Maybe it's your negative
But
bird
she keeps chirping more than the birds do, so I don't think they're going to land in her hands.
I'm too eager. Do you do this often?
Yeah.
Horrible time.
Oh, okay.
Come around like May.
Oh,
like
so
crazy.
we're way off. It's
Yeah.
Oh no, we're not way off. We're just ahead of schedule.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
I guess
not,
like a lot of them are still migrating back.
And there's a lot that like have been left on the ground, so I feel like they're going for that rather than.
Yeah, I did throw. Well, there's obviously this wasn't all me.
Yeah.
But I did scat some across the ground and wondering how this will work. This is so much fun.
So Tiffany just had an in-depth conversation with a group of girls that apparently come out here all the time, and they know the bird situation. So they said that a lot of people are leaving a seed on the ground.
It wasn't all me. It was not all me.
So the birds are going for that instead of the seed in people's hands. So
Somebody left Cheerios. That's what it is.
Yeah, there
Cheerios
was-
are better than my Dollarama seed.
So we've learned something from this experience. If you're going out to feed the birds, don't leave it on the ground, or the regulars will get really mad at you.
And come back in May.